This is a great spot for coffee in the morning.
I love coffee in the morning.
Property.
I might start my cult here.
This property's, you know, I mean, it's not the house.
It's amazing property.
It is. You haven't even seen it.
Wow. Here's Malibu Lake.
All these tiles I made one at a time. Put leaves in them.
You did?
Yeah.
Marijuana leaf.
Yes, of course.
Could grow a nice, have a nice farm here, come
Oh, I
think
do.
of it. Hmm?
I grow smoke here.
You do?
Oh, yeah.
Where do you do that at?
Well, I have a garden right there.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. That's how you made your living.
No, I've never sold a joint.
No?
No, I don't sell.
So the volcano, that's no longer active, right?
No, yeah. It blew up one time and it's no longer there. It was just a big magma chamber under that, and it blew up. And they think that Santa Monica Mountains were formed two separate events between 25 and 27 million years ago. This event took place after the first event, so I think this event took place after the first explosion.
Oh, okay.
Or after the Santa Monica was raised, and then there was another explosion. There are too many contradicting things in the Santa Monica Mountains to make them think that it had to happen in two events.
Okay.
Two separate events.
Amazing.
I'll be honest with you, one more thing you'll like.
Amazing. This is really on top of the world here.
Ab, come, we go.
Hey, what's that big building over there? Do you know?
That's a horse, which one?
The one at the top.
Right top? That's a horse facility.
Oh, okay. Come on, buddy.
I love it. Coyote came up and shit right there.
Mel Gibson's church.
There's Kane in there.
Kane.
Oh, hold on.
Wow.
There's the tunnel.
Oh, yeah, the tunnel.
Snake over there. Right there where they see the lake in the see the lake in the middle?
Yeah.
Water coming out of the ground under its own pressure at 105 degrees. That's what fills that lake.
I didn't even know there was a lake over there.
Yeah, 105.
Seminole Springs? Is
Yeah,
that...
we used to be called Seminole Hot Springs.
Oh, my buddy built that house right there.
Yeah.
That's a long way down there.
Yeah.
Can't believe how high your spots are.
The guy that wants to buy this place.
Mm-hmm. He does? That's a hell of a zip line.
Go on.
I wouldn't do it. This spot.
This spot right here is I call it the buzzard's roost, because the buzzards used to sit on top of this. But this is just my sitting place.
Well, there's an eagle. Look at him, here he is. He's scouting. Here comes another one. Two more.
No, that's a raven.
Ravens.
Yeah.
Do they fight? Do you know them? Man. Unbelievable. Dang.
This is just a place to sit and create. Think, read, listen to music, be alone, meditate, yoke.
Wow.
I don't do any of that shit. Sea level. You can only see 26 miles because of the curvature of the earth.
Mm-hmm.
So you're only looking at 26 miles. Here, I can see it.
100 miles because you're so high. I'm getting vertigo. I'm getting vertigo up here. Whoa. Man, this is the highest I've ever been over here. Woo! All right, everybody, if you want to live on top of the world, this is it. There's the house right down there, too.
The chemicals in that plant are the same chemicals that they're using to. It doesn't cure Alzheimer's, but it retards it, so it doesn't grow.
Maybe I should start eating it now.
Yeah, eat a handful of it.
I feel like I'm getting it.
Too late for me.
Woo! Oh, boy. I want to go off that cliff. Hell no.
A couple weeks ago, I went off the side over there.
Uh-huh.
I slipped off the brake, hit the gas. Boom! Right off the side.
You're kidding.
It was ATV. It rolled.
Don't do that now.
Oh man, I went way down there. I had to get a backhoe to get me out.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't get hurt?
No. Well, I was unconscious for a while.
Jesus. I hope I make it.
This is the right vehicle. Right.
I see that. This vehicle's unbelievable. Me and Gary enjoying life.
That's right. I don't mind it.
I think I made it. Gary, man, he's a daredevil. But then again, I guess so am I.
What you don't want to do is fall in the crack, man. The crack will kill you.
What do you mean?
This crack right here.
Oh, the crack, right?
Yeah, the crack.
I know. It looked like you floated right over one of them.
Yeah.
I don't know how you did it. I think I made it. Gary, man. Well, I almost did make it. What's the name of your ranch?
Rancho Broco.
Oh, Rancho Broco? That's a good name.
Rancho Casa too much.
Made it back to Rancho
I didn't
Broco.
kill him.
Yeah.
Well, we only made one lap.
I said, oh, thank God we made it. And then a car came flying up.
I got floor plans off. Maybe I'll get it.
There's my motorcycle. Tell you what, man, that's my next buy right there. The Polaris. Thank you.
Hope that, man.